This train is at the Elder Street crossing in Mishawaka, Indiana. And he's been sitting there for over half an hour waiting to get into the yard in Elkhart. So we'll see how long it takes him before he can take off again. And there's the one car rule. And he's not going to be happy. How long does it take before he turns around? Let's see. How long will it be? Just about now he realizes, oh, it didn't take long. Didn't take long at all. Yeah, it's kind of funny. All right, folks, well, I'll post this on my YouTube channel. See you later. Oh wait, here comes another car. All right. Now that first car only took about 10 seconds or less to turn around. We'll see how long this car takes. Oh, he's turning around already. Yep. Yeah, well. Like I said, I'll post this on my YouTube channel. And maybe in the comments or in the description, I'll tell you how long the train sat here. It's been here about, I'm going to guess, half an hour. So we'll give you an update later. All right. Give me a like. Subscribe. Thank you.